Hello mga friends. I-check ko lang kung... Hello.
Sorry.
It's okay. Oh, yeah. He's cleaning the front. Yeah, thank you.
Okay.
Okay. It's cleaning time. After the snowstorm. Oh my god, this is what happened. Like, it's all covered with snow. Fully covered. Hi, Minel. She lives in that apartment. We're going to play in the snow. I'm excited, mga friends. Oh, this is how it looks like here when it's snowing. Oh, I forgot to bring my gloves. Yeah, look at that. Oh. Doon tayo. Yeah, oh my god, that's my car over there. I parked it behind the apartment. I'm gonna clean that later. Let's go, me now. Oh, he's cleaning the walkway. Oh my god, it's very thick. No, it's just like 6 inches thick. It's not that really thick. Maybe 6. 5-6 inches. Oh, they're busy cleaning. Oh no, look at that. Yeah. See mga friends, oh my god, ang ganda tingnan. Yeah. Ouch. Oh, kailangan mag-ingat kasi baka madulas. Madulas kasi siya. Oh my god. May I see the neighborhood. Oh my god. I think they're still not cleaning their walkway. See? I think they're lazy to go out and clean. Oh, this is the parking area here. This is a street parking, so no one's parked here now because they're afraid to get tickets. I got tickets the last time, the last winter storm. Oh, it's so forgot to bring my gloves. I'm back. Yeah. Now he's cleaning. Hi, Minel. This is Minel. Oh, di ba? Super lamig. It's so cold in here. See, look at him.